I'm going to be showing you how to edit sections in Etsy. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So the first thing you need to do is open Shop Manager by going on Etsy first. So Shop Manager is usually at the bottom line if you're a seller. And then you need to find the option of listings and then find sections. And in order to edit a section, you just need to rename the section. You can click the section name, type a new name. You can just delete the section as well. Listings inside will be moved to unassigned, and add a new section as well. Name it, save it, and then you can move listings into sections. Go to listings, select a product. You can just click on edit and choose section and save, and product now appears in that category. What we need to know is keep sections simple. It's 5 to 10 max and organized by product type or niche, and use buyer-friendly names, not internal names. So simple summary of this all is go to Shop Manager, Listings, Section, and then edit them. So that's how you edit sections in Etsy. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.